In this video, I'm gonna show you a tip to combine Chat GPT with MidJourney and get really cool results. Check it out. So in the past, when I have used MidJourney to write prompts for me, I would type something like write a cinematic photography prompt to create a picture of a woman. And you notice it would just write this long paragraph. That's not really how we write prompts in MidJourney. So instead we can kind of train Chat GPT to write prompts the way we want them to. So let's come up here and create a new chat, and here is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to train it on how I want my MidJourney prompt to be formed. So I'm going to say here is a MidJourney prompt formula, and then I will go ahead and put the formula. Here is one formula. I have been experimenting with image. So I want to just ask Chat GPT if it understands, and it's kind of training it into the chat for now. So I'm gonna say please respond with yes. If you understand the formula, yes, I understand the formula. Okay. So now Chat GPT is trained. So we can say, write me 3 MidJourney prompts for cinematic photography. Here 3 MidJourney prompts for cinematic photography. And you can see that it follows the exact formula that we just plugged in image of a woman standing in front of a window. Mysterious, moody, ethereal, shot on a Sony A7 III with a 50mm prime lens at golden hour in a film noir style using black and white film. Now it left some of the parentheses in which I don't really think will hurt the prompting, but I'm not totally sure. So let's just go ahead and tell Chat GPT to remove the parentheses. Please rewrite the same 3 prompts but without the parentheses. Certainly here is the same 3 prompts, and then it went ahead and it wrote those same 3 prompts, but without the parentheses. So now let's go ahead and copy these prompts that it gave us and see what we get. So now if I type imagine paste in that same prompt their image of a woman standing in front of a window with a mysterious, moody, and ethereal vibe. Shot on a Sony A7 III with a 50mm prime lens during golden hour in a film noir style using black and white film. And here is what we get out of it. Woman standing in front of a window, black and white photo, mysterious, moody, and ethereal vibe, all this stuff. It said let's grab our next prompt here. A close-up of a man's face with an intense, brooding, and contemplative expression. Shot on a Canon 5D Mark IV with an 85mm prime lens during blue hour in a cinematic style using Kodak Portra 400 film. So that's what blue hour looks like. Image of a man's face, black and white. And here is the result of that image of a close-up of a man's face with an intense, brooding, and contemplative expression. I mean, looks pretty convincing to me. And then our last one, image of a group of friends sitting around a campfire with a warm, cozy, and intimate atmosphere. Shot on a Fujifilm X-T3 with a 23mm prime lens at sunset in a documentary style using Fujifilm Superia 800 film. And that's just what I get when I say a group of friends sitting around a campfire. If I was to type right. It's been really awesome to see the growth of this channel, and I cannot thank you enough. And if you haven't already, please click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will ensure that you see more like it inside of your YouTube feed. Alright, thanks again, really appreciate you guys, see you in the next one.